Hi, I thought I'd make a video to give others the benefit of my experience. I bought this Vax Platinum Plus carpet cleaner. They're about £250 brand new at the moment. My one's second hand, not very much use. It's a 2019 model. Clean the carpets really well. I've had the Vax Rapid models before, two of those, the old grey and orange things, which were a pain in the arse. And now I've got this one, which seems to be alright. I'm putting this up here because I looked at all the reviews for this machine, chiefly the Witch magazine review, which gave it a Witch Best Buy. There's not a lot of choice for the more sort of heavy duty carpet cleaners out there for this sort of price, so you're sort of stuck with Vax or Bissell. But this one has failed already. So it's the model with the circular scrubbing brushes and the beater bar on it. As I say, a really effective system when it works. The main beater bar is driven with a tooth belt on that there. All of a sudden you'll be hoovering along and the beater bar and the scrubbing brushes will just come to a dead stop, and you'll have a smell of burning rubber. And what it is you've got your motor spindle there at the end, and the belt, the main drive belt, is a smooth belt, it's not a tooth belt, and that sits on the spindle there and runs onto this drive pulley here. So once that's on the drive pulley, that's obviously spinning, which turns this gearbox, which eventually locates in there with the scrubbing brushes and turns that side of things. And then the tooth belt from the beater bar obviously locates on that part of the pulley, and obviously goes around there, your beater bar's in there. The offending item which fails is this tensioner. I'll have to reinstall that properly, but the tensioner sits right down in the base of the unit underneath where the belt runs. So if you can imagine, that's in the machine. The belt is running like that, and the bottom of the belt runs through, well, just sits on top of what should be a little idler roller there. But what happens is that idler roller, it's like a nylon roller with a metal core. Got this like metal spindle here that sits inside. But yeah, that whole, I don't know exactly what's caused it to fail because it's so mangled it's difficult to say, but that has all just heated up, melted, seized up, and then the belt just gets sort of dragged in and trapped on there. That looks like the spindle end actually there. So that's got sat on that spindle, heated up. You can see all the melted rubber, but it appears to me it's this tensioner unit that's failed. That's a really bad design flaw. As I say, this is a 2019 model, so it's quite a relatively new model, unless they've made some significant improvement to that part. I can't see this being a good machine to own. That's just going to fail over and over again. And there was nothing restricting the beater bar or the scrubbing brushes that should have caused that to jam up and burn or whatever. So another amazing Vax product with a fatal design flaw. So I'd save your money, rent a rub doctor, stay away from this.